Hey, AP Psychers, I am sorry to not be with you on the first day of this unit, but I'm going to do my civic duty, show up for jury duty, and all that jazz. So, just a couple of little things. We are going to work on 40 studies today. The folder is here embedded into Schoology. If you look into these personality lecture slides, it will tell you exactly what it is you need to do. It's going to explain it a little bit on this slide. I'll tell you as well in a minute. But what you want to know is what study you have to read. So if you look in the following slides, just find your period. It'll tell you exactly what study you're supposed to read. So during that time, what I'm going to have you guys do is to take about 20-ish minutes, give or take, depending on what you need to read the study that I've assigned you. And then for the second half of class, the last 25 minutes, I want you to group together with your group, discuss all of the basics of the study, right, that you should have completed on your organizer. Get some like poster paper, not like giant poster paper. If you go in that plastic container by my door, the very bottom drawer should have some like big paper, regular paper and construction paper. So don't use an 8 by 11.5, but use a little bit bigger piece of paper. Put some of the big, large takeaways of your study. You're just going to use that miniature poster paper or flyer when you present to the class tomorrow. All right, so today you're going to read, you're going to work with your groups to create this poster paper to be a support, and then on Wednesday, you will do little short 5 minutes max presentations of each of the studies while everybody else fills out the organizer. Okay, if you have questions for me, you can reach out, but I'm not going to be that available because I can't have a device in the courthouse. On that note, if you look in the actual 40 studies folder itself, right, it does give you those same instructions about looking in the presentation for what study to read. If you've got study 25 through 28, this is the PDF for it. If you've got 37 through 40, this is the PDF for it. You will also find the folders in the front of the room with the paper copies if you prefer the paper copy, as well as the paper copies of this organizer that you can find here, just like we normally do when I'm in class. That's it, guys. Enjoy your day and be productive.